Have you ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? Fact number 1, we yawn to cool down our brain. Yep, a yawn helps regulate the temperature up there. Fact number 2, yawning is a social signal. It shows empathy and helps us bond with others. Fact number 3, yawning isn't just for humans. Animals like dogs, cats, and even fish yawn too. Fact number 4, 60 to 70% of people yawn after seeing or hearing about yawning. Are you yawning yet? Fact number 5, yawning might also help us stay alert. Some experts think it keeps us awake by increasing oxygen intake. So next time you yawn, remember it's more than just being sleepy.